Hello, my sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? Hope you guys having a good day. This is your homeboy Captain Manny. You guys already know. Alright, before we start this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the ring bell so you get a notification every time I upload a video. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and now we're on TikTok. That's right. Trying to do more videos, TikTok and Instagram when I'm working right now, just stuff like that. So if you want to follow me there, go ahead. We have a TikTok account now, Captain Manny. It's on TikTok. Today's video, guys, a quick video. I haven't uploaded a video in a while. It's because I've been busy working. I was celebrating my 10th anniversary with my wife. We went out to eat, movies and all that. Everything went perfect, 100%. I love the mother. Alright. I also got shot. Not like a firearm shot, but a Kobe shot. So Captain Manny is vaccinated now. Everything went perfect, 100%. It didn't hurt, and I feel good so far. So good. All right. And been busy working, and that's that. That's why I haven't uploaded any videos, and that's why I'm making this video, guys. Somebody asked me. I can't remember if it was on Instagram or YouTube. They said if a welder could make 300K a year. I was like, danger, Will Robinson. And the short answer, guys, is yes. Yes, you can. You can even probably make more. It all depends how lucky you get. There's always a but, right? Like, but, you know, we're talking about 300K a year. You know, that's 6 figures right there. You know, a doctor, if you think about it, a doctor makes around 200 and 300, I think, average. At least that's what Google says. You know, I'm not a doctor. I'm a love doctor, but I'm not a doctor, you know. And that's what Google says, you know. 300K a year for a doctor that went to school for 11 years, guys, okay? He had to go to school and, you know, you struggle just like us. So, yes, you can. You can make 300K a year as a welder. Yes, you can even probably make more. But it's gonna be tough. You know, it's not gonna be right away. I guess what I'm trying to say is, don't expect to make 300K in your first couple of years, unless you get really lucky and you're in the right spot at the right time. You know, because you can get in a big project where, you know, they're paying you as, you know, making good money, and the project is 1 year long, all year, and you don't stop working and everything goes great. You don't get sick, you don't get rained out, and then you can probably gonna make 300K a year, okay? But other than that, guys, it's gonna be tough. First of all, you need to be good at stick welding. You know, get you a rig, because if you wanna make 300K a year, guys, you have to be a rig welder, okay? Or be good at TIG. Why? Because a lot of the high-paid jobs are going to be TIG jobs, and a power plant, nuclear plant. A lot of jobs do TIG, stainless, and you don't need a rig. And if you have a rig, you're going to be in the pipeline. We're doing gas plants, batteries, all compressor stations, stuff like that, you know, and they pay good, especially pipeline pays good. But the thing about pipelines, there was a pipeline here, and they already went out. It was here for a month, and now we have to wait like a couple weeks to travel back to, I think they were going to Oklahoma. So, you know, jobs don't last 8 months, a year doing pipeline straight. Sometimes you wait, sometimes you get 2 months out of them. You have to be chasing them. You make good money, but really you don't make a 300K right away. Alright, so just, I guess my answer to that is Yes, you can make 300K a year, but don't expect it to make it right away. If you're good at it and you get your name out there, you get good at it, then you can make 300K a year. So drop up in the comment section below, guys. Let me know how much, if you want, how much you made the best year you made welding. All right. Me personally, the best year of me welding, you know, a whole year, I made 120. Okay, but that was one of my best years so far because I haven't welded for that long, guys. I went to welding school, and you know, you have to get your name out there, learn the field, and I'm not the best welder, but I can weld. You know, I have failed some weld tests and some I have wins. So let me know in the comment section below. You know, if you know somebody that have made more than 300K or close to it, or how much have you made, or what do you think? You know, you think it's possible to make it? I know it's possible, but I mean, it's not easy. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Alright guys, so that was it, a quick video for you guys. Yes, you can make 300K a year, but it's not gonna be fast, and you have to be lucky and be in the right spot, the right moment. Everything has to be perfect, 100%. Other than that, guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully I'll be doing some tests in a couple months. I'll be doing some welding. So I will see it for today's video, guys. Just stay safe out there. God bless, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye.